When it comes to protecting your home and ensuring its long-term durability, the quality of your windows and doors plays a pivotal role. One brand that has earned a reputation for providing both security and durability is Eagle Windows and Doors. Known for their high-quality materials, advanced engineering, and attention to detail, Eagle's products help homeowners create safer, more reliable homes that can withstand the test of time and the elements. Whether you are upgrading your current windows or doors or installing new ones, choosing Eagle Windows and Doors is a smart investment that offers lasting benefits. Strengthening home security. One of the primary concerns for any homeowner is security. Your windows and doors are key entry points into your home, making them an essential component in preventing break-ins. Eagle Windows and Doors are specifically designed with security in mind. Eagle's products are made from durable materials like fiberglass, wood-clad, and vinyl, which offer superior strength compared to traditional materials. These windows and doors are equipped with features that discourage forced entry, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and heavy-duty hardware. The multi-point locks secure the window or door at multiple points, making it harder for burglars to force them open. In addition, the robust framing material and construction methods used by Eagle make it significantly more difficult for intruders to break the glass or force open the door. For even further peace of mind, Eagle also offers impact-resistant glass for areas that are more susceptible to severe weather or break-ins. This glass is designed to withstand high impact and will remain intact even when subjected to force, providing an added layer of protection against both intruders and harsh weather conditions. Durability that withstands the elements. Eagle Windows and Doors are built to last. In areas with fluctuating weather conditions, like strong winds, heavy rain, or extreme heat, durability is crucial. Eagle's products are engineered to perform in a variety of climates, ensuring that your home stays comfortable and protected no matter what the weather brings. Eagle's fiberglass windows and doors, for example, are known for their exceptional strength and resistance to warping, cracking, or swelling, which is a common issue with traditional wooden windows and doors. Fiberglass is a low-maintenance material that won't deteriorate over time, even in the harshest climates. This means that once installed, Eagle Windows and Doors will continue to function flawlessly without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Eagle's wood-clad windows combine the timeless beauty of wood with the strength and weather resistance of aluminum or fiberglass. The wood exterior is coated with a protective finish that shields it from moisture, preventing rotting or warping. The aluminum or fiberglass cladding provides an added layer of protection against the elements while maintaining the natural warmth and aesthetic appeal of wood on the inside. For those living in coastal or hurricane-prone areas, Eagle offers impact-rated windows and doors that meet or exceed local building codes for hurricane resistance. These products are designed to resist the high winds and flying debris that come with severe storms, offering added protection for your home in the event of a natural disaster. Energy efficiency and insulation. Eagle Windows and Doors aren't just built for strength, they also excel in energy efficiency. Proper insulation is vital to maintaining a comfortable temperature inside your home while keeping energy bills low. Eagle's products feature advanced insulation technology, including energy-efficient glazing options like Low-E glass, which helps to regulate the temperature inside your home by reducing heat transfer. Low-E coatings on the glass reflect heat back into your home during the winter and block harmful UV rays in the summer, ensuring that your home stays comfortable year-round. By keeping your home better insulated, Eagle windows and doors help reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems, ultimately lowering energy consumption and saving you money on utility bills. Eagle's products also feature weather-resistant seals and tight-fitting frames that help prevent air leaks, ensuring that your home remains energy efficient regardless of the season. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also reduces your carbon footprint, which is beneficial for both the environment and your wallet. Low maintenance and longevity. Durability is not just about withstanding extreme weather, it's also about longevity and ease of upkeep. Eagle windows and doors are designed for minimal maintenance. Their materials, such as fiberglass and aluminum, require very little upkeep compared to traditional wooden windows and doors that need regular painting and treatment to prevent decay. The high-quality finishes on Eagle's products are resistant to fading and discoloration, ensuring that your windows and doors will retain their beauty for years without the need for constant restaining or repainting. Additionally, their durable construction reduces the likelihood of damage from everyday wear and tear, making them a long-lasting investment for your home. Enhancing curb appeal. In addition to their security, durability, and energy efficiency, Eagle windows and doors also enhance the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. Their wide range of styles, colors, and finishes allows you to choose products that suit your home's architecture and your personal taste. Whether you prefer the classic look of wood-clad windows or the sleek, modern design of fiberglass, Eagle offers a variety of options to match any home's exterior. Conclusion. Eagle windows and doors offer homeowners a perfect balance of security, durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. By choosing Eagle, you're investing in products that protect your home from intruders and severe weather while also improving the overall comfort and energy efficiency of your living space. With minimal maintenance required and a long lifespan, Eagle's windows and doors will continue to provide lasting value for years to come. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your current one, Eagle windows and doors are an excellent choice to enhance both the safety and durability of your home.